back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to tie your shoe by Velcro version. Since you're here's this the tie one, you will just randomly tie your shoe. Step 1. So first one, you have to do this and do this. And then when you put it there and then do boom, it's never gonna do that. It will just do like that. So we have to do like this. And then step 2. Then we have to put the tongue right side, and then put them on. Then the last step, you have to do like this, and then cross it. And there you go. So your shoe has crossed. Then I'm gonna try the other shoe with time lapse. Here we go. 3, 2, and there you go. There's your tie. Here's your tie Velcro. Comment down. Send a comment if you want to see more how to do stuff. So I think thanks for watching. Please subscribe right here. Check out my other how to do stuff that I showed you. Click them right here. If you want to learn how to do stuff, come over here and I'll show you if you don't know how to tie your shoes. See you guys later.